Let's make Pandesal, the soft, slightly sweet rolls, breadcrumb dusted that taste like a hug. I start with the yeast 2 and 1/4 teaspoons active dry yeast, 1 packet into a bowl. Add 1 cup warm milk. Add 1/4 cup warm water, both around body temp, about 105 to 110 Fahrenheit. Stir in 1/2 cup sugar. Let that sit 5 to 10 minutes until foamy. If it doesn't foam, the milk was too hot or the yeast is done for, start over. In a large bowl, I add 1 large egg, 1/4 cup softened butter, and 1 teaspoon salt. Pour in the foamy yeast mixture and whisk to combine. Now flour. About 4 cups all-purpose, or roughly 480 grams, added in stages. I mix with a spoon until it gets shaggy, then switch to hand kneading on a lightly floured counter. Knead 8 to 10 minutes until the dough is smooth, elastic, and only slightly tacky. If it's gluey, dust in more flour a tablespoon at a time. If it's stiff, a teaspoon or 2 of warm milk brings it back. I oil a bowl, drop in the dough, turn to coat, cover, and let it rise somewhere warm until doubled, about 60 to 90 minutes. For deeper flavor, I can stick it in the fridge overnight and finish tomorrow. Meanwhile, I pour about 1 cup fine dry breadcrumbs into a shallow dish. Classic Pandesal gets that sandy coat. Once doubled, I gently deflate the dough and pat it into a rectangle, about 1 2-inch thick. I cut it into 24 even pieces, either squares for that bakery look, or little logs I slice on a slight diagonal. Each piece gets a quick roll, then a tumble in breadcrumbs. I line a sheet with parchment, spaced rolls about a couple inches apart, seams down. Cover and let them rise again until puffy, 30 to 45 minutes. In the last 10 minutes, I preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit, 175 Celsius. Bake 15 to 18 minutes until just lightly golden on top. Don't overbake. Pandesal should stay soft and tender. I cool them a few minutes so I don't scorch my fingers, then serve warm. Best with butter, best with queso, or a swipe of jam. Leftovers? Toss into a bag once cool. Rewarm 5 minutes at 300, or a few seconds in the microwave with a damp paper towel. Quick tips. If your kitchen's cold, proof in an oven that's off with just the light on. Whole milk equals richer rolls. Swap in part water for lighter ones. And yes, you can freeze shaped rolls, freeze, thaw, rise, bake. That's Pandesal. Simple, soft, and perfect with coffee. I'll take 2.